Okay, this is my RKD D40 mask. It is very simple to put together. Take your regulator, snip, cut the little zip tie that holds the mouthpiece on. Right here. And it's a two-handed job. And I've only got one hand, so I'll be right back. And it's off. And number two, it fits. These almost most universal regulators will fit right into that hole there. And looking to work, I'm doing it. Just plug it right in. At this point, we would normally put a zip tie on there, but I don't have my zip tie tool. And it comes with a GoPro mount. But you basically just stick it right in the hole there. Jab this little screw right here in there. And it takes some time getting lined up, which is almost impossible when you're looking through the camera and ain't got no way of holding it. And because that's a two-handed job, of course. It is a two-handed job, so let's set this right here just for a second or two and jam this in here like that. It's the right way. And I'll see here. You have to wiggle it a little bit, get it right in there. But once you get it in there, it usually goes right in, but it must be a little aggravating. I just have to thread them sometimes. There we go. Okie dokie. And then you got you fold this part down such as that, so you got a little lip. You got a little lip right on the bottom right there. And if you don't get it just right, it won't go on there. And I'm going to try to get it just right. It's something like so. Well, it helps if you get it lined up. Okay. Just hold on 1 second here. Once again, this is a two-handed job. Shooting a video from your phone with one hand free. And I think I got it. Sorry for the heavy breathing, it's a little chilly out here and I've been running around in the house. Voila! And there you have it. And that's not a GoPro camera, that's a Vivitar. A $20 Vivitar camera. Anyway, you want to save your little mouthpiece here. Say you're out diving. You're out there having a good time and you get ready to go out on the boat and all of a sudden something happens. Your seal comes off the mast. Your strap breaks. Oh no, what are you going to do? Your dive's over with. Nope. You just pull this part right here, cut the zip tie. Always carry a zip tie on one of these. Stick it back on your second stage. Zip tie it, and you're good to go. Make sure you carry your mask. It also comes with this really neat little bag here. You can put everything in. I've been packing everything in there. But anyway, coming up soon is going to be a test. I'll get back up in Florida where the water's warm and got all my scuba gear and I'm gonna get out there and test it out in the ocean, see how it works. Hopefully it worked out perfect. And of course I'm gonna put the zip tie on there to hold that on there. But I'm gonna eventually buy an adjustable regulator where I can adjust it with a knob. But and the swivel, that's coming up next. I ordered a swivel, but it ain't got here yet. But once I put those on there, I got a little piece of film on this thing that when I go to start using, I gotta peel that thing off that keeps the lens from getting fingerprints and scratches and all that stuff right now. But you can pinch your nose when you put it on. But anyway, sorry for the bad quality video, but I had to sit here and do it while in the cold and rain getting ready to start tonight. And so it's anyway, it's just one of them things. Too excited, couldn't wait no longer. But anyway, y'all have a good day.